Broadcast. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where we review smart home product devices and discuss family tech that can help make our lives easier. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and also click on that notification bell to be informed of my latest uploads. At any point during the video, you can check the show notes down in the description box below. And to support this channel, affiliate links can be found down there as well. One of the many useful features of the Google Home devices is the broadcast. Simply put, you can use Google Home device as an intercom and broadcast messages to any or all of the Google Home devices you have at home. This feature is part of the top 7 Google Home features video that I made. You can check that video up here. There is a short way and a long way, I guess. But before we go there, smash that like button and share this video to your socials. I really do appreciate that. Alright, so the short way is to just say the wake up phrase, then the word broadcast followed by the message, like this. Broadcast, quit making noises up there. So the longer version is to let Google answer you after the word broadcast. This is good to know if you want to verify if your Google Home is actually listening, like this. Broadcast.
What's the message?
Just joking. My wife and I actually had a conversation, a meaningful conversation using this feature, so pretty good. Now, the other cool thing about Google Home broadcast feature is if you have Google Assistant on your phone, you can actually broadcast using your phone even if you are not at home, simply by using a secured Wi-Fi or your own cellular network. Now, because I have an Android, I could just say the word, the wake up word, and then, this thing will actually answer me. Sometimes you just gotta press the, home button, I guess, for like 2 to 3 minutes or something. Oh no, 2 to 3 seconds. And then it'll ask you, and then pretty standard, and then it's pretty much the same. So I'll show you. Broadcast.
What's the message?
Please open the door.
All right. Broadcasting now.
There you go. Now this feature, my friends, actually saved my buttocks a few times. Now with the new update, it just went to the next level. Prior to the new update, when you broadcast, it will actually broadcast to each and every Google Home device you have at home. Which is okay, but when you have a sleeping baby in one room and your wife or husband is in the other room, you really don't want to broadcast to every device you have. Or else. Before you can use this update feature though, you must name your Google Home device with a specific name and or place that Google device in a room, and you can do that through the Google Home app. So once you have set that up, all you have to say is something like this. Of course, you have to say the wake up word, then the name of the room, and then the message. So something like this. Broadcast to the living room. Stop running, please.
All right. Broadcasting to living room.
Now use that if you want to broadcast to a specific room. Now, if you want to broadcast to a specific Google device, all you gotta say is, the wake up word, broadcast, and then to the name of the device, and then your message, like this. Broadcast to master.
What's the message?
Are you there?
Okay, broadcasting to master.
Now use that if you want to send a message to a specific Google Home device. Alright, beautiful people, I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye!